It's about Keynote. Um, Keynote is a very useful app which you can create presentations much like PowerPoint in the computer. So it's this app, this one, and when you open it up, you have different Keynote presentations. Now we're going to add a new presentation. You click on the plus button and then you click on Create Presentation. You have several themes to choose from, but for now we're going to do a white presentation. The presentation gives you a first slide that's an example. To change the picture, tap on the picture to either cut, copy, delete, replace, lock, animate, whatever for the picture. There's also a little picture button down here, which you can click and you can switch it for something in the camera roll. So let's say I'm going to switch it into this picture. To double tap to edit, you basically double tap on the text box down there and you put in text. Birds. And the same thing goes down here. To add a slide, you click on the little add button here and you have different slides to choose from. You could choose the one with pictures that looks like a title page, the one with only words, and the ones that are blank. So we're going to add a blank slide, and on this blank slide I will show you how to add different things. First we're going to add a text box because we want to write something. There are different kinds of text box that you can add. So right now we are just going to do a blank text box. You can make the text box bigger or you can make it smaller. You can also change how big the text is or how small, and the color. You can change the font. And yeah, you can make it different, bullet points, whatever. You can make it left, centered, right, justified. And yeah, that's what you can do with the style. Next, you can add media, which is pictures or videos, tables, and charts. For videos, here's a mini concert that I can add. You add a video, it will take some time for it to add. And basically you can watch the video while it's still a text box. Now we are going to wait a moment for the video to compress, and you can see that you can play it right on the slide. Now we have the video done. Right now, almost done. Let's wait a few moments. Now it'll be there quite soon. And so here, you can make the video smaller or bigger or whatever. And if you tap on that play button, now something like this often happens. Keynote kind of gets a little shut, gets a little stuck. All you have to do is exit and go back in. Now sometimes it just does that. Now you go back in. It's not working very well. If this happens, often what you have to do is go to the taskbar and delete a whole lot of your stuff. See, that's too much for the taskbar to contain, so something like Keynote might shut down. Now, Keynote is going to update one presentation, which is the one that we just looked at. And we are going to enter the presentation. And that's the video. We can make it smaller, and I think we can watch it right now. So that's something you can watch, and you can delete it right now. One thing you can do is animate a slide. Go to that little tool button there and click on Transitions and Builds. You can see that you can add a lot of transitions, and all of them are kind of different. You can also make the text box have a transition for build in and build out, and that's done. And you can undo stuff and undo stuff and undo stuff, and you can mask things like pictures. You can mask them, make them smaller or bigger, like that or like that. So that's all I have to show you about Keynote. It's a really fun thing and also very educational. It can be used for lots of different uses. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.